Hello, this is my workshop for English. I'm Clara. Well, I'll tell you. Um, why this video consists in. This video is based in an inspiring movie. I think um, that left me a pretty good learning about life. And it is first how to tolerate people, how to accept people, how to how to give, how to respect the individual liberties of each person in the world. Um, this song is called "Sing." If you want to sing out by Cat Stevens. I like it a lot. I like it a lot.
Say yes, and if you want to sing on, sing on. 'Cause there's a million ways to go. Remember there are.
And if you wanna be high, be high. If you wanna be low. 'Cause there's a million ways to go. You know that there are. And if you wanna be
And I have wondered myself,
if you wanna
life is too short to be arguing with people, isn't it?
'Cause there's a million
So let's
things
enjoy
to
it.
do. You
And
know
join
that
me.
there are. How? Join in. You know that there are.
You can do what you want.
What the hell is that Cat Stevens? He's not just a hippie who goes around the world transmitting messages of peace and love. He's a great artist that has won the admiration of people because of his letters and soul. He was born in England, July 21, 1948. He learned to play the piano and the guitar to a short age while he and his brothers attended tables on his parents' restaurant. He has always had a natural talent to music. Was educated by a Greek father and a Swedish mother who also brought him to a Catholic school, so he consoled and is a strong moral conscience. He's a star who got his first hit in the 70s, and he hasn't had a perfect life, but you can see the humility on his eyes, can't you?
I'd like to sing a song now that I wrote, I think, before I tried to make a second comeback. And this, I think I'm basically talking about myself in this one. This is called Wild World. La 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 la.
You think it's a wild world, don't
La
you?
la 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 la. La 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 la.
It's hard to get by, just upon a smile.
Now that I've lost everything to you, say
Thank
you
you so
wanna
much
start
for your
something
attention,
new,
and I hope you like it.
and it's breaking
And
my
remember,
heart you're
I'll take your hand
leaving.
anytime
Maybe
you
I'm
want.
grieving, but if you wanna leave, take good care. Hope you have a lot of nice things to wear, but then a lot of nice things turn bad out there. Oh, baby, baby, it's a wild world. Hard to get by, just upon a smile. Oh, baby, baby, it's a wild world. And I'll always remember you like a child girl. You know I've seen a lot of what the world can do, and it's breaking my heart in two, because I never want to see you sad, girl. Don't be a bad girl. If you want to leave, take good care. Hope you make a lot of nice friends out there, but just remember there's a lot of bad, and beware. Beware. Oh, baby, baby, it's a wild world, and it's hard to get by just upon a smile. Oh, baby, baby, it's a wild world, and I'll always remember you like a child girl. La 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 la. Baby, I love you, but if you wanna leave, take good care. Hope you make a lot of nice friends out there, but just remember there's a lot of bad hands. Beware. Oh, baby, baby, it's a wild world, and it's hard to get by just upon a smile. Oh, baby, baby, it's a wild world, and I'll always remember you like a child girl. Oh, baby, baby, it's a wild world, and it's hard to get by just upon a smile. Oh, baby, baby, it's a wild world, and I'll always remember you like a child girl.